Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your own green screen video on CapCut PC. So select your video, go to cutout and select auto cutout, and it's going to remove the background for you. Now to replace this black background, you're going to use this green screen and just scale it to size and make sure this is done processing. Select this video and add it on top of that video, and you're just going to extend the green screen until the end. And that's it. If you want to use it as a green screen, just export it, or if you want to use it now, right click, create compound clip, put it on top like as an overlay, and add just another random background for it. Scale it, select the video and go to cutout, chroma key, and select the green part of the video. Well, you wouldn't need to do this because you have the video, but this is just if somebody if somebody is using it as a green screen, so you uploaded it as this, they're going to have to do that to delete the green part of the video. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!